Hello everybody. This is our first summary of the summer semester of lesson 8. Now today we talk about the instrumental case. Now the instrumental case has two very important usages. One, it expresses the means or the instrument through the help of which an action is done. For example, writing with a pen. And the second one is in a passive sentence, the agent is expressed in the instrumental, which we learned in the previous lesson. There are further usages of the instrumental, and we will have a quick look at them. One is accompaniment. So the indeclinable satting with is generally used with these expressions following the noun. Likewise, satting requires the instrumental, talking or discussing, mand, with a person need not take satting. So brahmanena, satting, with the priest or accompanied by the priest. Possession or endowment, a past passive participle meaning endowed with, or the instrumental of the reflexive pronoun atan is used with the word indicating the virtue or vice in question in the instrumental. Silehi, samanagato, endowed with virtue. So samanagato, endowed, silehi, with virtues. Filled with water or happiness would be udakene or sukkene. Filled with noise, saddena. Fourth, cause. However, in scientific or philosophical discourse, the ablative is used to express causal connections. The ablative we haven't learned yet, we will learn later. Bhagavata vadena, kubito, angry, with the fortunate Bhagavata, with the fortunate one's vadena statement. Chivarena santutto, satisfied, santutto, chivarena, with the rope. Attena, because of that business or that matter. Karaniyena, engaged in some business, or with some business engaged, we don't have expressed here. Imina, pangena, for this reason, for this imina, angena, reason. Equality, samasamo varnena, quite equal, samasamo varnena, in beauty. In making a comparison, the instrumental may be used only if the act of comparison is first described generally and indefinitely. Porisene, porisang, comparing. For porisang, a man with a man, porisena. For specific or conclusive comparison, this is better than that. The ablative is used. Again, we haven't learned this yet. Price, sahasena, for 1,000. So, i.e. sell for 1,000 kahapanas, the currency of these days. 7 way, which way or which direction, by one way, another way. Ekena, one or the same way. Dvarena, by the gate, entering or leaving. 8, direction, orientation, from west to east, both in the instrumental and each followed by the indeclinable cha, from north to south. Then this would be expressed by ayamena and vittarena. Manner, imina, in this way. Imina pariyayena, through this course. Through this, imina pariyayena, course, or in this manner. Kayena patisamvedeti, he experiences patisamvedeti, through his body, kayena. Santena, calmly, thus instrumentals may be used like adverbs of manner. And then also on the right side, etc. Kitchene adigatang, understood, adigatang. Kitchene, with difficulty. He sat practicing a certain kind of meditation, and then instrumental as if manner of sitting, etc. Even this sense is in fact adjacent to the ordinary instrument sense, e.g. serving with actions, kamena, whether physical or mental, or with speech, honoring, entertaining, etc., with music, dancing, garlands, etc. Means of livelihood, explanation, description, acquiring, and goodness. So, dhanena, by giving. Vehicle, 11, yanena gacchati, he goes in a carriage or by a vehicle. Nagena, by elephant. Motive, garavena, through respect. For example, he did not speak. Time, by means of which, at the end of which, or particular time at which something happens. Aparena, samayena, after some time, in due course. So after some, aparena, time, samayena. Tena, samayena, at tena, at that, tena, samayena, time. Or achayena, through, after the passage or passing away. Measure, dvadasa yochanani ahosi ayamena. In a city, or a city, was 12 leagues, dvadasa, 12 leagues, yochanani, in length, was, ahosi, in length, ayamena. Sata yochanani vittarena, 7 leagues, sata yochanani, in breadth, vittarena. And compounds ending in words mata, measure, are also used in the instrumental janumatena, knee deep. As regards classification, birth, clan, family, kind, and similar relations, gotamo, gotena, gotama, gotamo, gotena, by clan, jati vadena, in respect, vadena, of class, jati. Disassociation, there is in a number of words or expressions a tendency to associate opposites opposite and contradictory ideas. In the present case, there is fortunately no ambiguity. Andanena, without force. And even 17 idiomatic usages, used with the indeclinable anyatra, except for or apart from, anyatra brahmanena, except for anyatra brahmanena, the priest. Asanena nimanteti, he invites to sit down, or he offers a seat, literally like he invites with a seat, something like this. Kalene kalang, from time to time, regularly. Labhena labang, from gain to gain. Anyena anyang, other anyang, with other. Anyena, so other with another, or one with another, meaning irrelevantly. Sabbena sabbang, all sabbang, with all. Sabbena, meaning completely, absolutely, thoroughly. And even the reflexive intransitive sense. The instrumental has usually a simple reflexive intransitive sense. The subject acts or is himself, by himself. Suchibhutena aṭṭhana, being bhutena, pure, suchi, himself, aṭṭhana. All right. Having discussed this, we have a little bit more vocabulary. Masculine nouns in short are ayamo, length, garavo, respect, dando, stick, force, punishment, nago, elephant, panyuho, question, bhuto, living being. It's the past passive participle of bhu bhavati, used as a noun, as a masculine noun. Vittaro, breadth, agadang, house, home, anang, food, chittang, thought, mind, heart. Heart used figuratively, because literally it would be hridayam. Hridayam. Hridayam would be the Sanskrit, the Pali would be hadaya. Hadaya. Jivitang, life, Jnanang, meditation or also absorption, Khanang, place, Nagarang, city, Nibbānang, extinction of existence or liberation from existence or nirvana, even cessation, and then Parinibbāna. Parinibbanam, the prefix pari is generally used when referring not to nirvana itself as a state or non-state, but to the event of an individual's final attainment of it at the end of his worldly life, and especially to the parinibbana of the Buddha himself. Pānang, drink, Bāsitang, speaking, saying, the past passive participle of bās, basati used as a neuter noun. Bhojanang, meal, food, Vattang, garment, or in Bahuvachana, in plural, clothes or dress. Vijnanam, consciousness. Vedang, hatred. Saranam, protection, refuge. For example, in Buddhang Saranam Gacchami, Senasanam, abode, resting place. Okay. Punadasanaya, Tavabhaveya, Subham Mangalam.